Hey y'all, so I just finished putting together this stainless steel work table from Vevor. The brand did send it over in exchange for this video, but I was really excited to get it because it's the perfect size. Just throw whatever you need onto and then you can wheel it to wherever you need it, especially out here in the shop for us. They do come in other sizes depending on what you need. It's a great size, like I said, without being so huge, but it can hold what I need, and the whole thing is stainless steel. The top, the legs, even the shelf. I can wipe it clean super easily and it hasn't rusted at all, which I really appreciate because I'm forever, spilling stuff on it, washing it with water. The top can hold around 400 pounds and the bottom shelf can handle about another 200 to 300. So it is sturdier than it looks. Plus it's on those wheels and they have brakes, so I can roll it to wherever I need it and then set those brakes and it's not going to move on me. You can adjust the bottom shelf if you want it higher up or farther down. There are 3 different adjustments where you can set it for what you need, so you're not stuck with a certain height. What surprised me most is how many ways I can use it. I originally wanted it for kitchen stuff, in the pantry or in the laundry room, but out here in the garage it's gotten more use. You could also use it as like a prep table for food, or you can use it as a little bar. There's so many different options. You could even use it outside by the grill, pretty much anywhere you need a sturdy surface. Overall, it's just a solid, easy to clean, roll it anywhere kind of table that has worked for so many things for us. We love it. I know you will too, and I hope this video helps.